See, what did I tell you, Bartholomew? Jesus is the man. Did you see how he handled that angry mob of people? He just peacefully walked right through them. And man, they were angry. I mean, if I was Jesus, I would have just let him have it, you know?
He's always so peaceful.
Yeah. And I guess now it's good to just sort of, get away from it all, kick back, and just relax for a few hours.
Easy for you to say, P. You didn't get seasick, man.
Don't worry, Bath boy. Look, nothing, no clouds in the sky. Just a sky full of stars and nothing but smooth sailing from here.
I hope so. How does Jesus get to sleep so quickly?
Well, I don't know. I guess when you're as peaceful as him, it's just too easy.
Do you reckon he was peaceful as a baby?
I don't think he ever threw a tantrum, if that's what you mean.
Pete,
Yeah.
where have the stars come?
Well, I don't know. They were just here. I don't know how.
You said it's going to be smooth sailing, Pete.
I mean, I thought it was going to be.
There's water coming in the boat.
There is? Quick here, use this bucket. No, mate, I need you to empty the boat, not fill it up. Start bailing.
Should we get Jesus?
What do you mean?
He's still asleep.
He is? Can you just wake him up real quick?
You're right next to him.
No, I don't want to wake Jesus up. That's not my thing. I did it last time. You do it.